Major sleet storm right now. Just pouring sleet. Hopefully it changes over to snow. And we might get pounded with snow if this changes over, but if it don't, we're just going to get a ton of sleet. That's how much ice we got overnight. It's probably about 1/4 inch. The good thing is it's done. Now we're just in a major sleet storm, which hopefully will be snow soon. There it is right there. Coming down pretty hard. Still coming down hard. Won't change over to snow though. Come on, snow. Take a look at this tarp. Solid ice. Tons of sleet on the ground. Probably about an inch. None of that snow. It's all sleet. Look at all this sleet. All that sleet. Tons of it. It's crazy. Got 1.5 inches of sleet out here. And it's still coming down. That's how deep we got. It's quite a bit actually. Still hadn't seen one snowflake all day. It's just going to turn out to be a major sleet storm for us. Look at all this. Like sand. Coming down so hard that it almost makes it look foggy out. Okay, everything out here is sleet. Don't know if you can see it too well in here or not, but from where all the sleet bounces off the car and hits the side, it's about 4 or 5 inches deep along the side of that. And then if you go away from the car, it's about 2 inches deep.